Pretty women that show up their body, it's great. Body positivity, go women, feminism. Maybe specifically guys, but me not they don't do anything. They don't do anything. Hi guys, welcome back to On Brand Podcast. I'm Tanshad.
Nama Rodina.
Bita bertujuh. Yeah.
It's fine.
At this point, you know, bro. It's
See.
fine.
Sir.
It's fine.
Today we're doing unpopular opinions. Each of us to bring up an unpopular opinion and to have a discussion about it. So, me unpopular opinion, come I start off with that. Some people agree, some people don't agree with me. But guys doing trap videos, I hope it corny.
Guys doing what?
Trap videos.
Trap?
Trap videos. Somebody did TikTok.
Thirst trap videos.
Thirst trap, but that's girl.
Thirst
Guys?
trap.
See, guys, specifically.
Instead of a scrub like you who don't know what a man's about. Pay my bills, keep paying my telephone bills, keep paying my automobiles, keep dancing, baby, we can chill.
Guys doing thirst trap videos, I hope it corny. But this is me, right? So I don't feel the same ko hinimoy. But I mean, guys, naman vooral guys ook met me te echt van de staan ko to mooie jongens achter gezien en ko sana te netji. En dan te keda si mani koko na no si ding daily life na hisa pa kana. I don't know. I mean,
Okay.
echt manier, like get a job on style,
That
do
is a job
something,
nowadays.
do something else.
That is a job.
But so it is a job. En toch, ze bedoelt het TikTok leuk, maar het bo brand dat effect bo dat kan misa.
Okay.
It's giving cornball.
I have
It's
to-
giving.
We'll keep the difference. Okay, see.
Mita hindi man eko kita way before TikTok.
Si.
Eko kita rin Facebook ta may un tempo.
Social media.
Social
Sim.
media in general, the tipo di video ng aki. In a way, I agree. Pero di mesmo banda minota quiere ita algo ku ta guys so.
Stop.
And the misa aware de koi pas mas maybe specifically guys pas me notice since ko hindi mo.
Okay.
See?
Although
That's gonna
si
be my
me
next
ko
thing.
bring up what's a girl? It's Lele Pons of Zoe of what's the other girl? Blonde hair, Tiana, I don't remember.
I'm too old for that, bro.
Want something. I don't know. Noem je na YouTube na we're on Vine bijvoorbeeld. But they're doing the most cool appearance that get a sellable product to the point that
I
it's
love what you're saying right now.
annoying. To the point this is so shallow. It feels hopey shallow, and for some reason, guys, it feel even more shallow. And to minata siguro why, but like basta kung nanta-oil ng kurpa of saka but nakiko na biceps nanta sali ko it has never been appealing to me.
Okay.
And to me kind of gewoon corny. Say that gewoon
Okay.
work me to feel corny.
Me question, because I loved everything you said. I was like, this is great, because clearly you're super biased. Is it the Udo?
See?
And the number those. What's the difference between every Instagram model? They do the exact same thing. The exact. They sell products because of their beauty. They oil their body up. They take pictures just of their bodies. They do all of those exact same things, and you have no problem with it. So clearly, biased, super biased. There's no difference whatsoever.
And Kiko mas bata
That's what I'm gonna say.
Oh, okay.
Sige kung kumain.
No, kita pa bisa masko pero mikir mo sang bosa? See.
Yeah, I mean,
What's the difference?
You have a point.
Pero misake ta bias.
What's the difference?
Misake ta bias. Misake ku hongo mtekere and não com tour guys tampouco. Tá es não specifically como me mira, me pa mostrar, me tá watching nos pa pôr na snack aqui não.
If you want that.
Pero kuta, they don't do anything. They don't do anything. And it's the same video like 400 times. Tapos yun, ekoi. A different outfit, a different maybe location. Wak. Nami just mustra na nga.
Pero basta não answer me question
na
sido.
awaki. Kita a difference?
See.
Kuku guys, it just feels corny. For all more youngens, the nang appearance na sa
But that's not a
attractive and good looking and
You
sexy.
feel different towards it, but that's not a difference between the actual thing that is happening.
Then I do not know what's the difference.
Because there is no difference. That's why.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. We don't understand that it's an unpopular opinion. So they feel that way too. It feels that way. But also,
Yeah.
quite literally, factually, there's no difference whatsoever.
Yeah.
Dude, it goes to Instagram, but I told you, go off. I mean, not hating on Instagram, man. I don't care, bruv. Like, but at the same time, see, but I feel that way towards men doing that, guys doing that, and doing it more. The only difference is that it's not a guy and the other and more. That's the only difference then. For you.
Yeah. No.
Me te
Then
kere,
what is it?
ultimately,
This is
it's
asking.
back na effect ku how we define men and how we define women. Of
Ha.
the binaries.
Ha!
Paso, in berabo tiro son ku, uiteindelijk it come back to the same concept.
It's the same thing.
It's the same concept,
same thing.
pero atrobe mane, pero at the same time, dako, pero kiko Angel, que
I
men
do-
si
I do
paso,
also,
paso, misa ako mane, tingene mo dan mane, super, of gewoon, tingene, ta super into a guy, so ko to oil ko, ta mane, baile, as neki, like, and the ami ta mane, I don't think it, no.
it's doing
Pero-
the most.
Pero at the same time, I know, mi na po come up per se ko un specific female model of dance ko ta hasi say, pero ko tama ta make me feel mane, it's too much.
Can I just find no po hangin mas safe and not safe din ko nang. Because just mustra a specific person aqui.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to do that.
No, data untong hindi siya fo. That
It's
is pa
still-
boss
it's
nang
still-
wa pa
still
me
funny.
argument.
As long as every person is gonna go find it, go ahead. So it's funny.
Pa
But
boss
it's
nang
No,
but no,
nang.
oh, okay. Sorry, my bad.
Hey. I know.
No,
Kasi if ayera pa yung
There's also like 15 of those people, but not 15, like 200 of those dudes.
Save it on brand?
To see
I
better.
didn't. I don't think I did.
Ay. No, pero mi te
Non so come ne che perché
Mi
mensi.
te compro ne che
No,
sì.
abo na comprende.
Mi ta comprende, mi ta comprende. Mi ta
Jane ta comprende.
Sì,
He's
sì,
playing the
I'm-
devil's
don't
advocate.
tell me I don't understand. I understand. I just don't agree. And I just see kind of like
Sì.
I don't want to use the word, but it's kind of like hypocritical. It is. Because it's the same thing with the women. It's the same thing. Instagram models do the exact same thing. At least these dudes are dancing. The Instagram models, they don't have one video. They just post a picture. That's all they do.
Yeah.
I told them, go off, sis. I'm not hating on it. I'm not hating on those dudes. So get your money, bro. If I could do that, I would probably do it too. On no Gaia, but it's also like
I wouldn't,
it's also like
okay.
it's the same thing. So
Yeah.
it's not that I don't understand. I understand completely what you mean. There's like 50 million of these dudes. Like so we TikTok, that's all you see. But
Pero timbia
There's
ko,
no
amisa,
difference.
timbia
It's really
ko
no
tamane,
difference.
timbia nanta mine pa ta sexy of na mine pa ta appealing, pero to me it's just gross.
And
It's also not meant for grown women
pero
tampoco,
it's
isn't it,
not
bro?
nada.
Grown women?
it's not meant for grown women. But it's not the grown
Like you're
women.
doing
It's-
the bare
no, it's
minimum
not.
because you
No,
look
there's
good.
older people ko tamane, ooh.
See, but for
tamane
most
ka
part,
ko
it's these
oro
young-
ba yung
basta-
strip club.
See, but they're doing the
Yeah.
bare minimum for with nothing.
See, pero awa
like I get like as a cookie. They like the same video. I get Nick Paris. He doesn't know who I am. I don't care.
He doesn't even
He
understand.
doesn't even know. Bonjour. Hey, it doesn't miss
subtitles.
course. Ko su friends na ko su guy friends and they know they look good. So na tulta mani second veneer looking teeth, good haircut, the snaki, nice outfits ko na Louvre or whatever. And they're not doing anything. And equating as near than the views ko likes me mani. Let me do this. And I mean, that's why I'm going It's not gonna be regular guy, regular guy as equate. It's not the same. It's corny. That's me biased against it.
Because
I don't care.
back na mesmo ko.
I
That's
don't
the
care.
exact same ko. Mita ko e malche e pone pa Instagram models and it's the same thing. exactly the same.
Good.
Like
Inderdaad.
un regular looking girl, whatever the hell that means. Could not look like when Instagram model has a miss still, it's still the same thing. No one don't care, nobody cares.
Yeah.
But it's because they're attractive, that's what they care. That's really what it is. There's no difference.
Yeah.
So, but a bias, but me to understand. So, I don't even, it's like, I don't need to see this white boy, because they be white boys. It don't be black dudes like that. Let's not lie.
No, this one is black. Mine is Tamil.
Me to buy back in a conversation of how we traditionally see binaries. I'm telling you, these guys has a little bit of feminine in them. And ko ita maneha siya un tigi porta ku tabu pensa ku it's corny but ita kai outside of the traditional way of seeing men.
Interesting point.
Interesting point.
I'm not saying that that's how you think, pero gewoon ta manera.
That's how you think, see.
No, me it's a way pa me explain. No, but un way pa me explain ku maybe porta sin about the feeling just going explore it.
Yeah. Pero I don't necessarily think that seeing me pattern the many people that I've been attracted to, pero me not necessarily que esta persona to rely on nang good lookingness.
Okay.
Cual no me tamda sí, pero
Way more.
sí, pero
Sí,
me
pero no
querer
se verwachte.
sí.
No, I don't. A mí te want to do is the same. It's the same. I don't
Pero
know.
atrobe, bota
I feel
dream,
the
anto
same,
you,
sí.
bota retener everything, otro feature.
Very objective.
También ko
Like I said, you are a living being full of
Right.
above
So, atrobe. A mí te gaat ervan uit, en de oormige man te gaat ervan uit die fully the same. A mí te want to, you know what? So then no. What are you doing?
Pero I'm
That's what I'm
biased,
looking at.
pero con
Sí.
male strippers is the same. Me me se ve en strip club, pero sabe, okay, van a girls strip club, pero me va un guy strip time internet.
Yeah.
What are we doing? What is happening? What are we doing? Maybe it's something I should explore about me. Please don't go in the comment box send me your therapist.
Eko itinto
Maybe
makan
it's
ku
me.
kiko abata haya as personally kiko abata haya attractive and to kiko
Right.
no. Pero porta it's the movements, not per se how the person looks, but it's the movement that they make it too much for you.
Maybe. Am I going through something on camera? Maybe.
That's tough. But also, I'm just here to show it the way it is.
Yeah.
I'm just my opinion. I throw my opinion, that's my opinion. I don't care what anybody does. But
At this point,
if we're going to give that opinion, like let's give it in the right context. In the context that there's no difference between men and women when it comes to that, or most things. But you see, so
Please,
it's
you
the same.
need to feel the same as me. Let's start a group chat.
See, the
Let's
hoping
start
to
a
feel the same as you,
group.
and rightfully so, because mita comprende, but it's also like if we're gonna say that, then we gotta be equal, both sides. Es un bando y otro bando.
But I'm not saying that Montague something her last name ta. Cocote. It's much problematic YouTube A. Not Trisha Paytas say otro.
I know none of these people. But
No,
I'm sure.
Tana
Ito
something
frame
something.
guy?
It
Ito
play Logan Paul of the Kiko or the Jake Paul. One of them.
The
men's.
problematic.
See, it geval.
Quite literally.
Nagtambe cringy. It's corny and cringy. See,
Yeah.
it's both those things. And the tiene mucho money ku grown ass woman who you're still doing fine TikTok content, girl.
Pero
But see the non-target group, fine. I mean, thank you.
Esse nanta sino mesmo tipo conta, pero a mim também pensa também de letterlijk Instagram models que post ng body, so that's all they do. Atrobe, go off, sis, get your money. If I could do it, I would do it too.
Yeah.
Pero it's the same thing. So nanoto ba lang, pero not even doing less. It's a still picture. That's even less.
Right,
At least aba para ko na look at me, I'm great.
But then
And that's it. It's the same thing.
the
same thing.
desensitized by it already. But
I think most people are.
Pretty women that show off their body, it's great. Body positivity, go women, feminism. Cool guys, please sir, we don't want to see this. Cover up.
Let me read. Exposed.
Yeah.
Exposed. Pero mita at least boss abo bias.
No,
Right?
mita
You're biased, and it's okay.
Bisa
fine.
feeling begin. Mita very aware of it. Mita feel the same about it. Mita appreciate women a lot more. I think a lot more than I can appreciate men doing that. Man, deixa me see.
Yeah, we need another male co-host.
But
So, mita puro man hold it down. Mas ano mirano quando mita bisa puro hold it down, but it's tough out here in the streets, bruh. It's
You're
tough.
doing fine.
I'm fine. It's kind of what I do. But see.
anything else
No.
was something to add to the
No, I think it was a very good opinion. I think it was a very good.
It was a
exchange.
good opinion.
We appreciate you saying that because that's people wouldn't accept their biases like that. Yeah, no, to me, man. Nah, say with your chest. That's what you feel. That's what you feel, bro. It is what it is.
That's how I feel. Maybe in 2 months, maybe in a year, I'll feel different. R.I.P. that pussy, hey, or whatever they say in the TikTok thingies that they do the same movement. Shout out to the guy
it's gonna
from
be
the.
interesting
Mita
one,
mpone, laka lang pone, yung skin pa sa wakin man.
No se pone ikaw. Sa waki ko, eko like man.
Okay. But mas me pa ko na waki. Someone added me in it.
Nah.
Pero
That's too much work. I don't know.
Pero see, yeah, mita aware of it, but and the thing room for change time. So but with more time that progresses, me mira money. Oh, get your life. It's not anything against men could do that. Of could dance or have fun, gewoon black boy joy. Pero gewoon that's not a thing.
They don't be dancing. That's the thing though. Like
Yeah.
they don't be dancing. That's not dancing.
That's what I mean
That's
with the
it.
bare minimum.
See.
But okay.
It's nothing.
Yeah.
It's nothing, bro. See.
Sam, die kota man
See.
See?
Let me mind.
Algo más como que add?
Me no te quiero te add anything else for so. Si no também quero discuss então.
Sí. Nos a discuss it después. O sea que en podcast para it, we're gonna do that also.
Comment down below. Like I know, say nos que discutir com bosang tam. It's not just us.
Sí.
That's the thing. That's the whole thing of unpopular opinion. Do you agree with Anjal or not? And if not, why not?
And please see, let me know
And if
why
you
was to
see,
think that way.
let me know.
Time probably even persuade them. It's a way of thinking, but even be more open-minded about it, and to
She's jealous di nang gewoon.
see. That's the whole truth of that. Y'all got me. Sorry.
Exposed, guys. Be
Exposed,
jealous.
and then these are their cases. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Anyways, guys.
Sige.
No, calma, sorry for your past cover.
No, you didn't. You were perfectly on beat. What are you talking about? What is it?
Guys, thank you for watching. Let us know again. You know where to find us. There's information in the description box below. Click on the notification bell, but we'll get up to date with the stuff we post. And we shall see you in the next video.